Hi, I'm Ryan from MapSearch, and today we're going to do the fifth of our 7 installments in the ENvision Solution series. Today's focus will be searching and sorting energy assets in tabular format. In our previous episodes, we've basically been going directly to the map and showing you how to accomplish certain tasks on there. Today we're going to show you a little bit different way of getting to the data and really narrowing down the results to specifically the assets that you want to see. So with that, we'll go ahead and switch over to ENvision. Give me just a moment to switch my screen over so you can see it. Alright, this is the ENvision home screen or dashboard. You've seen this before. I'm going to go over here to Asset Lookup, and I'm going to remain on the Facilities tab, and I'm going to type in a very general or generic term. We'll just use a company name, Exxon, and before we hit the Search Assets button, we just want to note that right now I'm going to send the results to the grid as opposed to the map, and we'll hit Search Assets. ENvision will dig through the database and come up with 944 facility results using just the term Exxon and no additional filters. In this case, that was our goal since I wanted a large data set to work with. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a filter under facility type. I want to narrow it down to just the storage tanks and terminals. So I will select that here from the available options. Hit close. As you can see, we've removed everything except for the storage, tank farm, and terminal results. Now I'm going to go over to capacity. Depending on the type of asset and the information we have on it, there may or may not be a value in here. I want to narrow it down to just those results that do have a value. So once again, I'll click the filter icon. This time I'm going to use a little bit more advanced function and select the greater than option. And in that field, I will type 0. If I want anything that's more than 0, hit filter. And now those results are applied, or are shown here on the data grid. And now we have some data here, survey and survey type, which is useful for some of the assets in ENvision, but not so much for what I've displayed here. So I don't want to have a bunch of data that I can't use on my screen. So I'm going to go over here to plus or minus data. That opens up the left margin here where you can see all of the available data fields for this search result. And I'm going to uncheck survey and survey type, remove those from our results, and actually I'm going to go ahead and add state. Okay. As you can see, there are a lot of other items here that we could check on or check off. Go ahead and close that now. And now I want to see, as you can tell here from the owner and operator, we have pretty much just one owner. However, we have a number of different operators. So I can actually use kind of a pivot table function here and grab this heading, drag it up here, and now I can actually see my results collapsed by operator, and then of course we can expand them by clicking on the arrow. And now that I have a data set that I want to work with, I can opt to either export it if you have that function enabled on your subscription, or as I'm going to do right now, just send these results to the map. Alright, and there you have it. We've sent the 50 results that we narrowed down to our map. They're shown here. We can now create a layer or do whatever we want with them within the different options that ENvision allows, and as I've showed you before. So that will kind of wrap up today's demonstration, and let me click back over to my camera. Alright, I appreciate you joining us today, and if you haven't already seen our introduction video, it gives you a little bit of background on MapSearch and ENvision, and of course I encourage you to also check out the other demonstration videos we've produced. And stay tuned to our YouTube channel because we will continue to post videos. And also go to our website, mapsearch.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us an email, sales@mapsearch.com. Thanks for watching.